How to change friend's name on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can change friend's name on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're here, navigate to your chat piece. So tap on the chat icon from the bottom left corner of your home piece, and once you're on the chat page, you have to find the friends that you would like to change the name for. For example, I have this friend right here. Now to change their name, all you have to do is tap on their name from this interface. Then from here you can change your name. You can clear this name and then add a new name or edit this name. Once you're done, tap on the save button, and with that the name of your friend will be changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.